On this video, I'm going to walk you through how to replace the RAM chip for some Samsung and Dell printer. Most of the printer company, they will set the RAM to the page. So example, if you print 4000 page, it says the RAM unit is end of life and you need to replace it. If your printer still printing good, and all you need to do is just replace the chip, and you can use that same RAM for another 2 or 3 cycles. The chip will be located right here, and in some printer it's located on this side. So some of them located on this side, some located right here. And if your RAM unit don't come with any chip like that right here, you just put the new one in. If it's come with that, just remove the old one out and replace with the new one. To install is very easy. Just put it in, make sure it's locked right here. See this part right here is on top. So put it inside and you're done. Oh, and another thing, when you take the printer, the RAM unit out, get some paper or some cloth, just cover the RAM unit. So that way when you're working, you're not accidentally crack on that or something. And now just put it back, and then the printer will recognize that the new RAM unit. And most common question I have people ask is how many times they can replace the chip on the RAM unit. And it's all depend on what kind of toner you use. I usually get good result up to 4 times. So I can replace the chip, and every time they ask me to replace RAM, I replace another chip, and it works fine.